lonely. I'm Mr. Lonely. I got nobody of my own, and I am so lonely. I have no one to hold me. I feel so lonely by my own. I'm so lonely. I feel so lonely. I feel like my whole world has shattered into tiny little pieces. Why are boys so massively cruel? I dated one and I was a fool, and I thought that he loved me, but he was cheating on me, and then he accused me of cheating on him. And I feel like I've been betrayed. I feel like I've been stabbed in the back. I want to have a heart attack. 'Cause if I have a heart attack, I may not survive. And then I'll finally be at peace and finally not be alive. To deal with pain, to deal with torture, to deal with suffering lies, to deal with all the things you say that just turn into little white lies, little